So the first feature is called as PC Connect, and what this allows you to do is to drag and drop files from your phone to your laptop and vice versa. Apart from that, we will be able to receive our phone's notifications on our computer. Apart from that, we can edit documents which are on our phone from our computer, and well, last but not the least, we can mirror our phone screen on our laptop. So without a doubt, this feature is super useful. So here's how you enable it. So get into your phone settings, search for PC Connect and go ahead and enable that. Now once you've done that on your Windows PC or laptop, go to oppo.com and download the Windows client. Now you'll find the direct download link in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. Now the second feature is called as 3-finger swipe down screenshot. So yeah, as the name suggests, just swipe down with 3 fingers and you can take a screenshot. So yeah, this is super fast and convenient as well. Now the third feature is called as smart sidebar. So basically on the top right corner of your screen, you will see this white bar. So basically swiping left on this bar will take you to the smart sidebar. Now over here you will see a few apps for quick access. Now apart from that, you can obviously add your own apps over here. So yeah, say for example you use WhatsApp a lot, you can quickly access it from here. Now the fourth setting is called as always on display, and this is disabled by default, so you will have to go ahead and enable it. So get into settings, click on personalization and then click on always on display. Now go ahead and enable it. Now once you've done that, you will see a few default presets which you can choose from. And last but not the least is a setting called as optimize night charging. Now all of us know that if we keep our phone on charge overnight, over time the battery health it does degrade, right? So to prevent that, you just enable this setting and yeah, you're pretty much good to go. And yeah, those were 5 features or settings that you need to try out on your Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G. And that's basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.